Ever received an email that seemed a bit fishy? No, not the kind that smells like tuna, but the kind that makes your eyebrows raise in suspicion. Welcome to the world of phishing emails, the cyber scammer's bait of choice. These are emails that come dressed in a disguise, masquerading as your bank, your favorite online store, or even a long-lost relative who suddenly left you a fortune. Here's how it works. These sly cyber tricksters craft an email so persuasive, you might think your dear Aunt Edna really has left you $1 million. They'll use logos, official-sounding language, and even your own name to convince you that they're legit. And all they want in return? Just a few minor details, like your social security number and bank account. So when Uncle Jim from a country you can't even pronounce wants to share his lottery winnings with you, remember, it's probably too good to be true. So how do you avoid getting hooked by these cyber anglerfish? Well, it's not as hard as you might think. Let's dive into the deep end, shall we? First off, be wary of suspicious email addresses. If your bank suddenly has an email address like moneybags123@definitelynotascam.com, that's a big red flag. Now, on to grammar and spelling. Cybercriminals are crafty, but they often skip English class. So if your bank sends you an email saying, "We need your password for Fix account," you can bet your bottom dollar it's a scam. And lastly, never, and I mean never, click on suspicious links. Picture it as an all-you-can-eat buffet that you didn't sign up for. The only thing you're likely to catch is a whopping case of identity theft. And remember, when in doubt, throw it out. No, not your computer, just the suspicious email. Now that you're a master angler, let's talk about keeping your digital pond safe. Picture this. Your digital pond is your personal online space. Now, you wouldn't want any unsolicited visitors in your pond, would you? Exactly. That's where reliable antivirus software comes into play. Think of it as your digital pond security guard, keeping those pesky fish at bay. Next, don't let your pond get stagnant. Keep your systems updated, just as you'd keep your pond's water fresh and clean. Updates often come with security patches that fix vulnerabilities, making it harder for cyber scammers to get their hooks in. Now let's talk passwords. Password 123, really? That's like putting a welcome sign for fish. A strong, unique password is like a sturdy, high fence around your pond, keeping unwanted guests out. So folks, keep your digital pond clean and clear of fish. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there.